Hello everybody and thank you for watching. This is Aaron with AW Development, and today I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the recent updates that I have pushed to the RydersWorld app. In my earlier video I talked about some of the basic features that were implemented, like the events calendar, photo gallery, task manager, some rules, report cards, and reward system, etc. In this video, I'm going to talk about the meal planner as well as the level system that we have here, and probably finish it off talking about the Lego and gaming sections that were also added. But yeah, for now, we're going to jump into the reward system first so we can take a look at what we've got here. So currently we are on level 5, which unlocked the meal planner. For that, we have a phone that we've unlocked, which is basically used for building Legos right now. There's a Lego app that's installed on it that he can use to kind of have a 3D view of all the different Legos that he's building as he's building them. So before that was the Wacky Wednesday unlock. This is a plug to the Dr. Seuss book, the Wacky Wednesday book that we love to read together. And there's a chance every Wednesday when we come into the app that Wacky Wednesday will be activated. And when that does happen, the rewards are half price. We get some fun, crazy UI enhancements to kind of break up the monotony of the week and yeah, keep us coming back. So we also had some other stuff that I don't need to get into, already talked about in a previous video. So right now we are on level 5, like I said, sharpshooter, and we did unlock the meals planner. So I'm not going to talk too much about what's coming next, but for now we can get into the meals section, go to the dashboard, take a look at some of this different stuff in here for a minute, talk about what that all is. So the food library, this is sort of the inventory system where we track all the different food that we have. I have a meal planner that I have also implemented into the Get AWD app, and this connects to that via API. So it's pretty cool. Easy way to track some of the food, and we can take a quick look into that and see. I've also connected it to an S3 bucket so that we can add some images to keep it easy to use as he continues to learn to read. So a lot of different types of foods that he loves to eat in there, and the ability to kind of change things as necessary, move them around, call it a different thing if we need to, and different themes as well that we're going to probably implement later, etc. So yeah, pretty cool there. And then we've got the meal templates. This is sort of recipes. I don't even really need to get into that hardly at all, but we can see that there's different things that, then we have the actual meal planner itself. So we can go to the calendar, which is a 30-day view, which indicates which meals have and haven't been planned. And then we also have the plan today, which will take you to the actual daily planner where you can set each meal, snack, dessert, dinner. In here you can grab each of the different recipes that are set and established based on what meal they are designed for. You can also grab different ones, so if you wanted to eat like something you normally eat for dinner for lunch today, you can do that. And then also you've got like the dessert stuff as well. Moving back to the dashboard of meals, we've also got the food inventory, just a really high level overview of the different food items, what's in stock, what's out, and what's low based on some inventory that's set within the Get AWD app. Last thing to talk about here is the grocery picks. Take a quick look into that, and we can basically fill this from the planned meals. So longer term, we'll build out the week's worth of food, and then come in here, fill it from the planned meals. It'll come in, grab all the different foods that we need, send that list over to the Get AWD app, and then be ready for us to either go shopping or build a list to pick up groceries or whatever we end up doing. So that's sort of the meal planner snapshot in a glance, all the different things that it can do. Next, we can talk for a moment about the Legos sets that we've added here. This is a fun way to track the different sets that he currently owns. Gives him a way to keep track of when's the last time he went through and built it, maybe some missing pieces if we need to order some more of those. Things like that. So you go in here, you can manage the sets, you can add a set. This is really cool because it just basically calls the Rebrickable API based on the set number that you provide. So we go to lego.com real quick, grab, how about this Fast and the Furious car? I like that. What is the number? 77260. So as long as this is in the Rebrickable API, which it should be, although it is a new set, so we'll see. I'm gonna create that and see what happens. So all we needed to do is basically provide that part number. It's calling the API right now. It's probably going to take a second because it's waking it up, so to speak. But Fast and Furious Toyota Supra MK4 added, and which if we just MK4 in here, look at that. Now we have that in here as a set. We can add some special information about it, but then this goes and links to the task manager, so we can create a new task for that. And then we can go back to the task calendar and we can see that that is now populated onto the calendar. Go ahead and delete that now because we don't actually own that. And it should cascade delete everything else that's necessary in relation to that actual task. And then we'll go to the Lego set and actually remove that all together. May have to do that from the database actually because I don't have, yeah, dude, there's a delete button right here. Perfect. Okay, so that's our Lego sets in a nutshell. The last thing that I want to talk about today is the game section, which I recently added. He's getting to a point where he is wanting to play video games pretty much every single day, and so we're trying to have some structure around that. And this is going to help do that. So we're going to make some Minecraft episodes where we build some cool kind of Minecraft civilizations together. And then also I'm going to do like a hot lap series with him where we go through and do Assetto Corsa laps, which is a sort of racing simulator for him to be able to try out. So we're going to try to set some kind of, you know, goals for some different lap times and try to help him get the hang of actually driving. So yeah, it should be a ton of fun. And I think the last thing that I will leave you with before we call this video quits is just a minute or two of some highlights of us getting that racing simulator set up. And again, my name is Aaron with AW Development, and I appreciate you watching.
Look how many trailers I want. How much did that cost? What?
Put it in reverse.
Oh, shoot.
Yep.
We'll probably go on its own. Doesn't this hook up on its own? I feel like it just hooked up on its own. Oh, I've been down the street for in the real mode. Maybe I went that way. I can't. There you go. Takes a long time for the car to start. Okay. Why did it please not answer? I didn't hit the brake.
Kind of seems like you hit another party. What are we doing that doesn't involve paying attention?
He's not going.
You're right, because you hit him.
I'm
Go around him. He's not going to move. You hit him. No, don't hit him. I said go around him.
I'm not going. Looks like someone knocked over that. It wasn't me. Yeah, because I wasn't eating over it. Ooh. I really do not like this game.
Stop. Are you in the wreck? Right. But, you know, this one I'll take what I can take. Quick press buttons. Now you gotta pay attention.